Volvo, Renault, Volkswagen, Audi, Nissan, Fiat, DAF, New Holland, Caterpillar. Major brands present all over the world. Major brands that have chosen Parana as the best choice for their business, building here Brazil's second largest and most modern automotive industry hub. But why are there plants here? Why have they chosen Parana? Could it be for its location, its infrastructure, the qualified labor force, economic indicators? To find out the answer, let's stop and have a look at the map. Paraná is in the south of Brazil, a region with the country's best development indices, one of the most competitive states and with the best business and investment environment in the country. The fifth largest GDP in the country in 2018, moving $1.3 trillion US, 6.4% of the national GDP. Its infrastructure includes the best road network in the southern region, with 21,140 kilometers of paved roadways. There are 2,400 kilometers of railways, 40 airports, including the best in Brazil, 1 waterway, and 2 ports. One of these, the port of Paranaguá, is considered the country's most efficient port. In addition, innovation is very much present in Paraná. The state is the first in Brazil with 100% optical fiber coverage in all its 399 cities. It has one of the country's longest electrically enabled roads with 740 kilometers and 12 quick recharge points, enabling covering Paraná from east to west in electric vehicles. And more. The state is the venue of the main project of the Brazilian Innovation Consortium, pooling 11 companies working together in developing batteries based on high-performing nanotechnology for deployment in the mobility market. The human potential of Paraná is also a standout. Its HDI is one of the highest in Brazil. The labor force, abundant and qualified, has high productivity rates. There are 196 high-level higher education institutions, 18 technological parks, 33 incubators, and nearly 100,000 engineers acting in the state. Brazil's first electric vehicle engineer training center is located here. Energy security is another distinction. There are 28 thermal generation and 24 hydropower generation plants, such as Itaipu Binational, the planet's largest clean and renewable energy generator. Companhia Paranaense de Energia is considered Latin America's best electricity distribution company. Today, it already addresses a number of automotive plants in the state with a constraints-free, high-voltage system and high-quality power delivery. In addition, the state's main productive hub has 100% coverage in gas supply. All of this looks even better when Paraná's strategic location is observed. Close to Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Chile. A privileged position that enables easy connection to the 264 million consumers of the Mercosur, and its GDP of $2.49 trillion US. It was all this that in recent years transformed Paraná into a true automotive powerhouse, responsible for 14% of the Brazilian production of automobiles, trucks, and pickup trucks. Here, Volvo produces trucks that are exported to all Latin America. A business that only grows. For 2020, the brand has already announced an investment of R$1 billion in Brazil. And 90% of this amount is to be invested in Paraná. Renault's advanced plant, which produces 7 different models and a volume of 380,000 vehicles a year, is another example, being considered one of the brand's most modern facilities worldwide. DAF, Volkswagen, Audi, Nissan, and Fiat are also present in the state, as well as Caterpillar in New Holland, brands specializing in construction and agricultural machinery. Even so, there is still space to grow, and Paraná wants its automotive industry to be even stronger with the arrival of brands looking for the best path for their business. Paraná, a state open to the global automotive industry.